Hello children, in the present video we are going to continue with Geography chapter 7, that is Major Agricultural Crops and Development Case Studies, and in this video we will specifically focus upon certain fiber crops and non-food crops like cotton, jute and rubber. Children, cotton is the most widely used of all plant fibers. Cotton fibers are woven into soft, strong, and absorbent fabrics to make clothing, bed sheets, carpets, tablecloths, and other items. The leading cotton growing countries are China and United States, followed by India, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, etc., which also produce large cotton crops. India is referred to as the original home of cotton plant, as its use was known to ancient civilizations like Indus Valley, Egyptian and Mesopotamian. The Industrial Revolution and invention of machines further boosted use of cotton by making textiles or cloths. Depending upon the variations in their sizes, cotton cloths are divided under three heads, namely short staple cotton cloth, which is about 2.2 centimeters in size and is grown in India and China. Secondly, the medium staple cotton cloth, measuring about 2.8 centimeters, which is grown in countries like USA, Russia, and Brazil. And lastly, the long staple cotton cloth, which is about 3.5 centimeters to 5.75 centimeter in size and is grown in Egypt and USA. Climatic conditions that are necessary for the growth of cotton include high temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and as heavy rainfall often damages the crop, rainfall should be between 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Cotton requires at least 200 frost-free days. Cotton grows best in black soil and drained alluvial soil, which have the capacity of retaining moisture. As cotton is a soil exhausting crop, manures, fertilizers and insecticides are needed to protect the crop from damage. Cheap labor is essential for picking the cotton balls as soon as they burst. So long as India is concerned, it is the third largest producer of cotton in the world. In India, cotton grows as a kharif crop. It grows well in black soil regions of the Deccan Plateau. States like Maharashtra and Gujarat in India are the leading cotton producing states. We will now study about the next fiber and non-food crop, that is jute. Children, jute is a long, soft and shiny fiber that can be spun into coarse, strong thread. It is one of the cheapest natural fibers and is second only to cotton in amount produced and variety of uses. Jute is also referred to as the golden fiber on account of its color and its wide variety of uses. It is used for manufacturing gunny bags, cloth, ropes and cordage, carpets, tarpaulins, rugs, coarse cloth, decorative items and even designer wear. Children, the process of obtaining jute fiber from the inner bark of the plants is referred to as retting. When the plants grow and become mature, they are cut up to the ground and then bundled. The bundles are then put in stagnant water of either pools, ponds, etc. Then the stem becomes soft and the bark is peeled by hand and separated to give the fiber. Being a crop of monsoon lands of tropical regions, jute plants require hot and moist climate and temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius or above. Also, rainfall of 200 centimeters to 250 centimeters and high humidity are also essential. Jute cultivation can take place in alluvial soil of flood plains. Also, cheap and plentiful supply of skilled labor is required. In India, West Bengal is the leading state, followed by Assam, Bihar and Odisha in the production of jute. Let us now move towards another non-food crop, that is rubber, which is produced from the sticky, milky juice or sap, which is the watery liquid of the plant known as latex. This is obtained from the tree trunk of the equatorial tree Hevea brasiliensis, and the entire process of collecting the sap or the watery fluid of the plant known as latex from the rubber tree is called tapping. The bark of the rubber tree is slit. A cup-shaped bucket is attached to the trunk below it. The sap or the watery liquid known as latex of the tree oozes out and collects in the bucket. This latex is then processed in the factories to produce rubber, which is used for commercial and various other domestic purposes. The Southeast Asian countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Thailand and India are the main producers of rubber. Brazil, Nigeria and Zaire are some other producers. India ranks 5th in the production of natural rubber. It grows mainly in Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay children, thank you.